Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we finally have these spoilers up for the June Ipsy bag. Now this is the standard bag, this is the $10 subscription, and I will link the GlamBag Plus spoilers and also the add-on spoilers. I will link those both below for you to see them. Now as you know, Ipsy teamed up with Tetris. It is Tetris's 35th anniversary, and they did make some collab makeup, which is really awesome. They got some singles out, they got palettes, they have lipsticks that they have made together, and the theme is Block Party. So if you already noticed, I'm just showing the spoilers, the bags, and all of that up here while I'm talking because there are so many spoilers with Ipsy that it's just impossible for me to remember all of them. So as I'm speaking, you're seeing the spoilers, the bags, and everything. Now they did make quite a few bags for June, and I think they're all amazing. Now, I'm sure everybody's looked at their spoilers on their account, if everybody got their email today. Now mine's showing the brown bag, and I've seen a couple others showing the brown bag, so I'm not sure if that's the bag that we're getting or that's just the bag that they're showing. So there's no real guesses on exactly what bag that you're getting. So I think that's really cool. Now you guys know that later on when I do get my bag, I will be doing an unbagging, and I also wait about a week, use the products to form my opinion on them. About a week later, after doing my unbagging, I'll be doing a review video, and I do this every month, and I've been doing it ever since I've been on YouTube, and y'all seem to enjoy that. So make sure that you catch up on all my videos. Now, I'm not exactly sure when I'm getting that bag, but as soon as I find out and as soon as I get it, of course, my video will be up. And I will be linking the other spoilers, like I said, down below. So if there's any other spoilers you're wanting to see, just check out my description box down there. And like I said, there are so many spoilers, and I'm sure everybody has seen what they got if they received their email today. So leave in the comment section down below, what did y'all get? I would tell y'all what I got, but then I wouldn't. What's the point of me doing an unbagging? So, but anyways, guys, so this is all the spoilers, the full spoilers. And guys, get ready because July spoilers are coming. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And also, guys, rate the video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you guys. And also one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.